Hey everybody, it's Scott with Simmons Total Renovations, and check out our latest restoration project in Fort Worth, Texas. It started with water damage to the existing wood floors, and in the inspection we found that there was additional water damage in the kitchen to the vinyl flooring, as well as there was damage in the master bathroom where there was water behind the shower and there was damage to the vanity. So we replaced all of the wood flooring in the house, as well as did some subfloor repair work, and then did a sand and finish job that you can see here. In the kitchen, you can see that we replaced all of the vinyl with a really nice, fun tile, updated the kitchen, and then in the bathroom, we redid the entire shower surround and included a new vanity and countertop. Give us a call and schedule your free consultation, and we'll help make your kitchen or bath dream come true.